Let's start our market weekly outlook. Right, please into the comments. Do you hear me correctly? If yes, we can go on. Just write in the comment. Do you hear me correctly? If yes, it will be a good signal that we can go on. Also, write please about yourself. A few words, for example, where you're from. What market you trade, and your questions, for example, what instruments you would like to see. For example, my name is Yuri. I'm from Ukraine, Kiev. In trading 7 years. Trade indexes, gold, oil, sometimes currency pairs. It's mostly. And also push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, because you can check in history of videos that very often I send weekly outlook every day, new ideas which you can trade exactly in some day. For example, I want to show you example of our videos. Where is it videos? For example, like here. And in these videos, I cover not only one currency pair. It's about gold, oil, Bitcoin, Euro USD, United Canadian dollar. Um, I cover instruments which really interesting, and there is some entry points so soon will be available. That's why push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's go. Let's start our weekly market outlook. First, we do currency pair. After that, gold, oil, indexes, and cryptocurrency pairs. It is our priority. Euro USD. As you see, Euro USD broke up this upward channel. At this moment, price is bullish, and let's open it on a bigger picture. Friends, if be honest, situation is not best for your USD, because uh, last week I told you that there was two scenarios when price was above this level. We should buy, but price broke up, and we can open 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle, and we see with it when price broke up channel, here was a signal. You can check previous weekly market outlook, and I told also about this scenario. At this moment, Euro USD, it it's not a good place to open a position, because we don't have something here. Price broke up all upward lines, and next key level is here and here. We need to wait how the price will react on this level. Only if there will be fake breakout, we will be able to open buy. Only in that case. Uh, or if the price will make a fake breakout of this key level. Only in that case we can open buy. About sell position, it's hard to speak, because I would open sell only if the price will break down some key level, accumulate, will make fake breakout, and after that I open sell to continue down move. At this moment, there is no good entry on Euro USD. Do not trade this currency pair. It's my recommendation. That's all. Is it clear? Write into the comment. Is it clear about your USD, and push like if it's clear. British pound price made fake breakout of previous low. Where is it? 1 hour. Till the price above this key level, we should open buy position, because price, take a look here. Price made second wave down move, and daily candle close above it. Now we can open by entry above this level to start new uptrend. Stop loss will be below this low. Below this low, because huge chance price will start uprise because many traders set their stop losses under the slow. Big players hit all the stop losses, accumulate enough volume, and for us it will be best place with low risk and great potential reward. That's why if Monday will open above this level on pullback, you can open buy to start uprise. It will be his best entry at that moment because stop loss will be 20 city pips and potential profit could be even 200, 300 pips. Yes, yes, thanks for the clear explanation. You are welcome. I always do as best as clear as as I can because I understand what is to be a fresher in trading, and I do not want to do you some hard explanation because it doesn't work. You need to get that information as simply as you can. Japan's yen. You can check another my idea on YouTube and see that I told the Japan's yen will make a price from this level. At this moment, it's hard to speak because take a look, price came into this area before this key level. At this moment, there is no entry at this moment. We will have good buy entry only in two cases. If price will make some pullback into this area, and there will be buy signal, we will be able to open buy. Second, price broke up all this area and on pullback we open buy to continue uprise. Some midterm goal would be this kilo 109.93. Let's go ahead. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar also looks bullish at this moment uh, because price broke up all this uh, upward downward trend. It's really good to open buy entry right here. Stop loss will be below this low. You can open it, and next goal would be this level, and second goal would be this level. Mhm. What's the next? Australian dollar. Price started down move. As you see, price started down move. On pullback, we will be able to open sell because best will be if the price will come back to this key level. As you see, how many 4-hour candles bounced from it. Of after pullback, you can open sell. Stop loss here will be really low. Will be, for example, how much? 40 will be 30 pips, and potential profit could be nearly this level or even previous low. It's only one situation which I see at this moment on Australian dollar because other it's hard to speak because price, as you see, bounced from this sell area and next key level only here. That's why it's hard to speak about some buy entries at this moment. Friends, write in the comments what is it understandable for you. Maybe you have some questions. If you have some question about currency pairs, about gold oil, you can write it into the chat. Also, if there are some instruments which you would like to see, just write to me into the comment right now, friends. Just write now a feedback about this webinar, about this I 15 minutes which we are communicating right now. I need to see your feedback because I need to understand, is it good for you, or uh, I need to change something, because I want to make this webinar as best as I can for both of us, for me and for you as my listener. Let's go ahead. Swiss franc. Swiss franc also came to this downward line. If be honest, I personally do not trade such patterns because I trade only uh, horizontal levels because only them only them show to me where big players can accumulate position, where big players can take new volume. At this moment, if we create clearness, as you see, price bounced so many days ago from this area. And at this moment, we have new upward trend. And what we can do, if price, for example, makes some pullback, we can open buy. I think first when price will come into to this mirror level, now here could be some pullback because price started powerful drop from this level, and first reaction will be also something pullback or drop for 50, 100 pips, something like that. That's why pay special attention to this level. Dow, do you think it will continue to make the highs? What do you mean, Dow Jones, or what do you mean? Hi, what about Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar? Okay, let's do AUD Canadian dollar. About Australian versus Canadian dollar, as you see, price nearly October 18 high, 2018. um, till the price above this level, it is better to open buy position. For example, if price will came here and will make, for example, second fake breakout, I will open buy position because we are nearly historical high. If price will bounce it from that level, we will have really powerful uprise. But I will open buy only when price will be above key level. We can open buy only above key level, sell below. But everything will be forget about buy if price will break down key level and daily candle will close below it. Daily candle close below it. It will show us that trend down will continue. Dow Jones. We will speak about indexes after currency pairs and gold and oil. It will be in 7 minutes, something like that. And also, let's cover British pound, Japanese yen. The same stuff. Take a look. Price made a fake breakout of this previous low. It looks like really like there will be uprise because fake breakout, enough new accumulation of volume. If there will be some pullback, just open buy, stop loss below this low and hold position. First, your goal would be this mirror level, and after that, this previous high, and some part of position you can hold for midterm uh, because so soon as you see British pound can change its trend because as you see British pound versus Japanese yen drop it really quickly and now it makes slowly and slowly. It looks like price are changing trend into bullish, but it it needs time to do it. Friends, push like and subscribe on YouTube channel. Believe me, there will be a lot of useful video. You will enjoy it. Just do it right now. Push like and subscribe on YouTube channel. What about other currency pair, Euro Japanese yen? Euro Japanese yen. Hmm. To be honest, I don't like such situation because Euro Japanese yen really is not clear. Price is not clear because price not nearly some key level, just in this range, price in the range. It it is a really horrible places to open a position because we don't have low stop loss and great potential reward. That's why I will pay some attention if the price will come back to these key levels. It is powerful mirror level. Take a look from which price started all this drop down. And second, it is this previous low. Nearly these levels, I will wait for a signal. At this moment, I can tell you what to do with currency pairs. When I don't see really some clear situation, first what I do on currency pair is nothing. I am out because if there is no good signal, better to be out because zero is the only option. Hey, when we trade based on support and resistance levels before execute trades, should I need to consider reversal candlestick pattern confirmation to take multi-time frame analysis? Ranker, British pound, United States dollars. I did already. It is when webinar will finish. You will see it in the beginning because we started from Euro USD. After that was British pound. About confirmation, yes, better to see confirmation because sometimes key levels doesn't work and we need to see that how price react on it. Key levels for us, it is the best places on the chart where we can open entry with low risk and potential reward in many times bigger, in 5, 10 times bigger. And I always wait for confirmation. I use fake breakout pattern. About candlestick patterns, you can use it because I use fake breakout. Candlestick patterns, it is part of your system, and and for me, better to speak about what I discovered for many years. Fake breakout, I discovered last 3 years. That's why I can tell a lot about them. Mm, Okay, friends, about currency pairs, if you want to see some currency pairs right now, because if not, I'll go to gold, oil, and after that to indexes. I wait a few seconds. If I will not see some currency pair which you would like to see, I'm going to gold, oil, and indexes. As I said, British pound, United States dollars already did. Friends, also push like and subscribe on YouTube channel. Believe me, you will enjoy it. And also few words about our services. Also, I provide VIP signals. I send all entries which I open on my personal account. For example, friends, it's a result of previous week. Together with my partner, we made 13,000 for 714 United States dollars on our accounts and accounts of our investors. And believe me, it's not the best week which we had. Uh, this you can get the same such stuff we send to all our VIP members, and you can see that we have at this moment 55 VIP members, and you can be part of them. Just write to us about VIP signal service, and you will receive all entries which we open on our personal accounts. That's why just use this account, this contacts here. It's our Telegram, WhatsApp, and also you can use this link. This link will help you to write to us in Facebook Messenger. Okay, what else? British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, let's do it. Mm, British pound, Japanese yen. I think I did British pound. I did British pound, Japanese yen few seconds ago. You'll be able to see it. Price make fake breakout of this key level. Just after this webinar, you will be able to see it. Okay, friends, I see that there is no questions about currency pair. That's why let's go to gold and indexes. Gold. About gold. This week was really awesome because gold raped out many traders when gold did this stuff. As you see, gold made a retest of this key area from which price started this drop down. Gold will continue down move because reaction on this key level was down drop. That's why after some on Monday you will be able to open sell position even from this point. Best will be if gold will make pullback into this area, you will be able to open sell to continue down drop. Huge probability that gold will cover all this up price because as you saw gold rise up without any powerful pullback. That's why huge probability the price will hit this area. But you need to open entries in places where your risk will be the lowest. Lowest risk will be nearly this mirror area. It will be really low risk. You will be able to open sell position and stop loss to set even here. It will be 50 pips. For gold, 50 pips, it's really low risk. You're welcome. Okay, let's go to oil. WTA, US oil. Few days ago, I told to everyone that oil will make a pullback from this area, from this key level. As you see how many times price made a fake breakout. At this moment, it's really hard situation because here is not, we don't have buy entry because our risk is really too big. About sell, it's also hard to speak because because price don't behave it's like a sell. That's why if I'm personally of oil accuracy at this moment, price made this down drop. Mostly all markets moves with such cycles. First drop, pullback, second drop, or first rise, pullback, second rise. Oil made first drop and accumulation a pullback. If there will be some sell signal, I will open sell because huge chance that price will hit this area, will hit this buy area. That's why if there will be some sell entry, you can open sell entry here and go before this buy area. It will be mirror area from this level. And here I will wait for some buy entry, some buy entry. If there will be signal, I will open it. Okay, friends, about oil, it's enough. It's enough about gold and oil. Do you have questions about gold, oil, or just write into the chat that it's clear and we can go to indexes? Friends, I would like to see your feedback. For me, it's really awesome to see your feedback because here it is Saturday, it's resting day, but we are now together, we are talking about markets. I want to close Telegram. Okay, okay, thanks. Okay, good. Go to indexes. Indexes. S&P 500, first as always, friends, about S&P 500. S&P 500 bouncing from 3,000 and it could be start of new powerful drop down. On Monday, after some pullback to this area, I will open sell because price bouncing from a really powerful round number. Also, you can check other indexes, Nasdaq. Take a look on Nasdaq. As you see, Nasdaq bounced from 13-month high, or it's even a historical high. 3-month high. Yes, it's historical high. Take a look. Nasdaq bounced from this Historical high price made accumulation and drop down. That's why nearly this key level, there will be really good sell entry. And what about US trades Dow Jones? Dow Jones, take a look about Dow Jones. Round number 27,000. Price was nearly that round number. And also take a look, it's historical high. Do you see that all indexes together bounced from really powerful levels? That's why I wait for confirmation because we can open sell entries here and potential profit will be in many times bigger because it's really historical highs. If price will drop down, there will be really some powerful drop down. Potential profit could be in 20 times bigger. That's why pay a lot of attention to indexes on next week because I will pay the most part of my attention to indexes on next week. Good. It's awesome that you take back your money. Thank you for all your videos. I have a gold position open. Will it gap down on market opening Monday? You need to understand that it's not a proper question to a trader because as a trader I can show you best point on the market where you can open entry with low risk and great potential reward. I can tell you what risk you can take. About will be there a gap or not, who will know? Who will know? As a trader, I have the same information as you, but I analyzed market 7 years. I spent really a lot of hours to discover best places, best to master my system as best as I can. It's not professional question. Will be there a gap or not? We will see. About if you would ask me where is the best to open entry, yes, I can tell you. Okay. About indexes, friends, please pay far more attention to indexes because believe me, indexes will be awesome on next week. And don't forget to be part of our VIP signals because all entries which we will open on indexes, we will send to our VIP members with entry points, stop losses, take profits, and all updates. You can be part of it. That's why just write using this context. Also, I can show you a statement of my real account which I manage for my investor. I helped him to make money, to earn money, and buy a house. And you can here is as you see, Techmill UK live count history profit 81,000 British pounds. It's 100 United States dollars. That's why everything is real. It's real accounts. That's why you can be part of it. Thank you for your answer and help me learn. You're welcome. And also Bitcoin and some cryptocurrency pairs for everyone who want to know about it. Where is volume? Friends, if you didn't write it, if you didn't push like on this video, it's really the best time to just push like and subscribe on YouTube channel because if there will be some free updates about indexes, you will get it on this YouTube channel. You can just subscribe it on it for free and get notification. Volume. Bitcoin, hard situation in this moment. BTC. At this moment, if be honest, it's really this moment. It's a horrible moment to open some position because if we open sell positions, there's still a chance that price will retest this area, and after that area will make a pullback. About buy, it's also a horrible place because huge chance that price will make a pullback because price rises from 3,000 to 17,916 for how many December? It took half year, and there wasn't a really good deep pullback. As you see, this accumulation, this range, it was accumulation. Big players, they when they move instruments, they need to accumulate some positions. That's why they always make a pullback. Many retail traders open buy here and buy here, and I don't believe the big players just will let them make money. That's why a huge chance of some pullback. Um, that's why what you can do two things. First, if Bitcoin will rise up into this area, you can open short position because really huge chance of pullback down. When price will make a pullback down, close all short position and nearly 8,000, you can start open buy position because there could be something like here, or if there will be retest of this area, it will be the best place to open buy for long term. And that's all, friends. If you have some questions about cryptocurrencies, just right now. If no, it will be the end of our webinar. Friends, do you have some questions or no? Write it into the comments. I would like to see it. It will be awesome to see it from your side. Okay, I understood you. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Just after this webinar, write a comment below this video. What do you think about my approach? Maybe I can something improve. Also, subscribe on YouTube channel, push like. Also, you can get a free Telegram channel where I send all free ideas which I publish on TradingView. Also, trading ideas. It's a link on our TradingView page. You can use it here, or is all free ideas which I publish is here. And also about our services, education, VIP signals, account management on profit sharing basis. Just write to us using this contacts. Thank you for your time. Have a great weekend. Bye.